Have you ever had problem with your washing gun? If you had, you should check the gun nozzle. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Gun problems are most often caused by a clogged or used nozzle. They can irritate customers of your car wash. My name is Konrad, and in a moment I will walk you through the replacement process. Enjoy! Start the replacement process by unscrewing the used nozzle from the gun with a 14-socket spanner and unscrew the nozzle from the cap. You will need a new nozzle in the correct size. Then, take a new one, wind on it 4 to 6 rolls of sealing thread and install it using by the spanner. Tighten it so that the gap is vertical. Please remember, do not tighten the nozzle all the way. Simple, right? If you need a new nozzle, take a look at our online shop. Remember to make sure the new nozzle is the same size and angle as the previous one. See you!